ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯣꯇꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 9 ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10 ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ. Hello students. Today let's start a new chapter, your chapter number 19, that is the regional environment. So let's see first what is environment. Environment is everything that surrounds us. Natra akoina laibada akoibada laibasingsiba kun environment na haiba. And the environment relating to a particular region or area and that changes considerably due to human activities is known as the regional environment. Environment environment that relates to a particular area. Jaga amakakta confined to area environment regional environment. So here this regional environment they do changes. More the changes am like due to human activities, mainly due to human activities. Regional environment the change like ma'am say. And among that human activities na change lapa hayagada kuna ahambada kuna lawbayari bisike no hamatamda is the construction of dams. Dams khangi ko barrier do ko turen gumba barrier khaidena ko adugumba dams haise adu mana dams construct obasna ko maram oraga to banga sai regional environment da ko yamna ko advantage would be ko as well as advantage na ka do ba disadvantage layeba ko regional environment da kuna dams gumba sabas na maram oraga ko yeng say advantage kara dam sabagi advantage ko harise construction of big dams take a big role in the development of nation. Obviously, nation develop dam construct. Not only that, it can generate, it can help to generate electricity, and obviously electricity generate it's helped in the reducing of power shortage. And also, supply drinking water in remote areas. Drinking water supply. Then it can also provide employment to the nearby inhabitants and raise their standard of living or quality of life. Dam satadi ako bidaleba missing the inhabitants mayam the employment people employment period standard of life increase or raise do you want to. Then construction of dams also helps in checking the floods and famines and even promote navigation, fishery. Construction of dams. So here construction of dams not only give advantages, it also cause some environmental problems. Disadvantage construction of dam construct environmental problem both in the upstream and downstream. Dam gi upstream the downstream also man problem environmental problems and create disadvantage the dams nearby areas inhabitants are to be displaced. Displaced over the Kala, shipped over the Kala, Maram Kagino Hatadi, Masagi, as a level and Sagi label the Hengolamna, single level the one columna, dam construct over the Maram Oraga, dam shab and the Maram Oraga is single level one columna, Makoido Mokoi Lebamdo, displaced over the Kala Ebo. Not only that, there are changes in the habitats of wildlife also. Wildlife the natural habitats yam akai pire. Then even fisheries over the fisheries mayam breeding ground is a marum ground is a mayam do akai ba hidi moy destructor haba dam sabas never muraga. And even due to stagnation or water logging ising the laying the yam chain the stagnant on laying the waterborne diseases may increase over hore malaria gumba haidana vector-borne disease carrier amagi mating na sadopa kolaina mayam do malaria gumba kang sadopa ni ko aduguma makhali laina mayam do haidi vector-borne disease mayam su adugi chang hengatlale haba dam construct obas na maram oraga. Then in river dam construct obas na maram oraga during makata rivers in the there will be downstream there will be reduction in the water flow. Water flow reduced or any leading to the deposition of silt in the river silt may deposit of hora ani dams construct of disadvantage then water ising water it is the most essential thing of all the living organisms, natra hingbada ko living organism kudi magna khwai dagi darkar is hingbada kaino is hingneba In fact, one cannot survive without water even for a few days. Few days. So here, the most essential thing we need to conserve, we need to harvest. Harvest conserve and there are different sources of water. Sources tanks, lakes, wells, streams, water so mana sources ti mayam leba adubu kaduba my ultimate over source di nong neba the ultimate source of all these sources of water is the rain nong sibu neba kaduba nong tare hare nong dagi khwadi ultimate over source di sing phangi se koina nong dagi ne hareba but kaduba due to lack of proper harvesting and proper management of this rainwater hariba nong ising se koina proper harvesting to ngamdraba proper management to ngamdragadi kaduba cherapunji hariba khwadi this is considered to be the koina heavy rainfall tham mapham ne hai ko khwadi mapham nong chahi chupa throughout the year nong tai hari mapham sida phauba ngasai drinking water gi shortage oibe maram de kegino ngasai proper management tawdaba aduna we need to conserve water, we need to harvest water na harakito ne ko. So harvesting of rainwater should be done in kaduba koina hariba shortage of drinking water lay haidna adumana thakna bat ko ising se shortage to manap tawba ngamna ba koina rainwater se we need to harvest it. So let's see how rainwater is harvested. Because we harvest over the kale hydric rainwater harvest have the so rainwater harvest of what do we need to do to harvest this rainwater? Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rain. Collect store rainwater harvesting rather than allowing it to run off. Run off store to collector rainwater harvesting it is done by constructing special water storage tanks like ponds, duck wells, then even pits. Pits duck wells, storage tank collector store rainwater harvesting. And also by recharging the groundwater to recharge rainwater harvest rainwater is collected from a roof-like surface and redirected to a tank or deep pit. The roof-like surface rainwater collect collector that's also a means of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater harvesting rainwater harvesting there are some objectives objectives of rainwater harvesting. Like for example, to meet the increasing demand of water. Harvesting rainwater store harvest demand. Then it also helps to avoid the flooding of roads. Harvest store flooding of roads. Then also it helps to reduce the runoff, which soaks the drain. Drain soak rainwater harvest harvest then it also helps to reduce the soil erosion. Rain se harvest the soil se run off the soil erode that's rainwater harvesting so countries India there are certain traditional practice like rainwater harvest like India Rajasthan in most of the houses of Rajasthan, there are underground tanks or tankas for storing drinking water. Underground, the tank tankas for drinking, for storing of drinking water. And the the dry in arid areas in regions like agricultural field they are used to store water. ko moina akang pham sing da ding sai lo labuk sing da farm sing ka field ma'am sida mokoina pan kha ba hai tare ko khadin kai khanai ko hari ba pot to adumana store to na ba ising store to na ba damak ta mokoina thamme ba ko which can moisten the soil ko so the moisten to na ba ko example ko na khadins ka hai duni khadins ka hai ko Rajasthan da leiba adu ba ka do ba hari ba harvesting of rainwater se they need to be proper management da ka leba kadona ba to avoid the contamination and for safe future use ko na udi rainwater harvesting mem hai ko hai rainwater harvesting da putok to ba ya ba ba rainwater harvest to ga hekta ko thak ba ya ba ba kaduba phajana proper management am darkar la eba kadona ba to avoid the contamination for kaduba mahi mutai mayam de contaminate tawdana ba ko toxic materials chemicals mayam de contaminate tawdana ba phajana properly manage so darkar la kani ba ko rainwater se kadona ba for safe future use ko tung da sin na ba damakta phajana safe to darkar phajana manage so darkar la rainwater sing se ko. So today we have learned about the regional environment, how human activities affect the regional environment, and how we meet the demand of shortage of water, and how to harvest rainwater. So here comes the end of the chapter. Let's meet in next class.